We are doing what we can. We are praying and putting our faith in action on the street. The potholes, ezinye izinto mawuziyeka, waiting for the council, waiting for the government, don't work. So we are praying for peace on this road and every road in South Africa, in Gauteng, in the name of Jesus, that God will bring safety and all that. Wherever you are. Yeah, my car, the rim cracked because of the potholes. So I don't want somebody who passes on the street to have the same challenge where the rim cracks. You understand? Because of the potholes. So whatever change we can make, let's make it. This is what we call sowing the seed. God will continue to bless us. God has blessed me. God has blessed you. Be a blessing. So whatever opportunity you get to make a difference, let's make it. Let's make it. Yeah, I want to know around the home of wonders, those who are fighting, they are no longer fighting. You understand? So find something good to do in your neighborhood. It will make a difference. Even that hardened heart, you know, that cruel, that heartless. When you take out the good that is in it, Christ is in you. You do good. It will make a difference. I see him. Even here. So we are cleaning here. We are going to make a difference. Come. So yeah. While they are arranging the tenders, when they are ready, I see about this guy can stamp it well. Yeah, sharp. So let's keep on making a difference where we can. Let's make a difference.